it's hot. Hello, friends. This is Veronica. You know what time it is. It's cafecito time because even when it's really hot, we like to drink cafecito. But we're going to drink iced cafecito. So make sure you subscribe and you stick around for my next video. Hello everyone, my name is Veronica. Welcome to my channel. I make videos about coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and anything and everything from the wonderful world of coffee. Today I don't have a coffee review video, but I do have a coffee creamer video for you. So I was on, where did I see this? Was it Instagram or Facebook? I don't know. One of those, spend so much time on social media. I forget where I see things. But anyways, I saw this online and somebody said, hey, this is new. Has anyone tried it? And I said, no, but I want to try it. It is a Califia. I think that's how you pronounce it. Iced cafe mixers, caramel cream. So this is a new product from this brand, Califia, and they make a lot of non-dairy milks and creamers. I've tried the non-dairy milk, almond milk. I use the almond milk. Have I tried the other creamers? I don't remember, but we're going to try this today. So I wanted to just give you a quick little video trying this out, see if it's any good. And yeah, so let's read about it and find out more. So it's called Califia Farms Iced Cafe Mixers, and this is in the flavor caramel cream, and it also comes in a vanilla flavor. So I bought this at Target. I don't think they sell it just everywhere because supply chain issues are still a problem. I don't know about you guys, but lately I've been going to Target because they sell the Starbucks sugar-free creamer I like, and they haven't had any. I've gone to 2 different Targets, and I don't want to be driving all around town for it, so I just go to the 2 Targets near me. If they have it, great. If they don't, then oh well. But yeah, the supplies have been super low. Even at the grocery store, some creamers that I usually always see are not there, so I don't know what's going on. So I was actually very excited to find this. If you go to the website for this brand, I'll link it below. You could actually do a finder and see where it's available near you. I bought this at Target. And when I first walked into the Target, it was a little empty, the creamer section, the dairy section. And I was like, darn, they don't have it. They don't have it. And I was about to walk away. I was looking at the iced coffee section and the other like juices and everything section. So when I walked back to the creamer section, I said, let me check one more time because I was kind of rushing. So I thought maybe I missed it. So I'm looking, and yep, way at the bottom, which I didn't look at the bottom shelf of the fridge, I found this. So kind of look around and see if you could find it. So it's caramel cream iced coffee mixers, and this is what they say. Uniquely crafted to blend beautifully into iced coffee. Our caramel cream iced coffee mixer delivers a creamy caramel swirl to your glass that remains rich and flavorful even as the ice melts. Ooh. Create your favorite cafe quality iced coffees at home. So this is made with almond milk and oat milk, it says, okay? And it says it's vegan, gluten-free, PBA-free packaging, kosher, carrageenan-free, soy-free, and non-GMO verified. So if all of those things are something that matters to you, then great. It only has 1 gram of fat. Carb-wise, it's only 3 grams of carbs, which isn't too bad for those of you that are watching your carbs and sugar intake. And it is 25 calories per serving, which is 1 tablespoon. But we all know we use more than 1 tablespoon for this. So yeah, let's give it a try. So I'm going to mix it up. I haven't tried it. I haven't opened it yet. So Okay, it smells good. It smells caramelly. So I already pre-made my iced coffee. I used one of these capsules. You could use any iced coffee you like. You could buy the bottled kind iced coffee, you know, make it yourself at home, whatever you like. I just used an iced forte from Nespresso because I still had a bunch of these. So I made it ahead of time. I don't want to bore you with making the coffee. I have my cup here with some ice. So what I want to do is kind of taste it a little bit before I actually pour it in my coffee, just, you know. So I'm going to try it. It's a little sweet. Caramel flavor is actually a little lighter than I would like, but it's overall it's good. Okay, guys, so this is what we're gonna do. I have my iced forte coffee in my Starbucks cup. So I already have ice in there, and this cup is smaller than I thought. So okay. There we go, and it says 1 tablespoon, but we're not going to measure here. We're just going to pour it free willy. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. So you guys see that? Okay, when you see the commercials and they pour all the milk in there, it obviously is a lot more than the serving because look at how dark it is. Okay, so let's try something. Try frothing some of this. So I'm going to put some in here and froth it just for fun. So you can use the Aerochino frother. I'm just using my little Ray Dunn handheld frother here. Okay, it's frothing pretty good. Maybe we can make like a cold foam. So let me know how you guys are enjoying your summertime, if you have any fun plans, going on vacation, and what do you do for coffee when you go on vacation, especially if you take a road trip. I know some people like to take their coffee machines with them, or if you're staying at a hotel. I'm going to be going back to Vegas in the hotel I'm staying at. Last time I was there, actually had an espresso machine, so I'm going to be taking my capsules and all my stuff to make coffee in the room. But otherwise, most hotels, especially in Vegas, have Starbucks in them, but, you know, lines are always long, and it's always a lot more expensive. Okay. I think that's good. Okay. So I frothed it. Oh, yeah, that actually froths pretty good. Okay, you guys got to see this up close. So that is there. Now I'm going to mix it in a little bit. So either pour it straight in or froth it, whatever you like. Let's taste it now. Okay. Ooh. Either this coffee is really strong or you need a lot of the ice cafe mixer. Whoa. Okay, so let me tell you, 2 tablespoons of this is not nearly enough. Man, I need a little bit more. It's good though. I think it's good, especially for people that don't like to or can't have regular dairy products. Then this is definitely an alternative. Honestly, it's good, but I don't think it's any better or special than using a regular creamer for your iced coffee. The only difference is it's a blend of oat milk and almond milk. So if you like those kind of milks, try it out. If you could drink any kind of milk or any kind of creamers, then honestly, for $5, I don't think it's that great. It's not bad. It does have a good flavor, but like I said, I don't think this is anything extra special for your iced coffee. It's honestly, to me, just more branding and marketing. It's good. I will definitely say it has a good flavor. It doesn't have a very caramelly flavor. It's more a little bit like very, very light caramel flavor. It is a little bit sweet. I wish it was more of a stronger caramel flavor. Maybe I'll try the vanilla. Let me know if you guys want me to try the vanilla. I will try and find it and do a review if you guys want me to. Other than that, I'm not that impressed, to be honest with you guys. I'm not that impressed. Like I said, unless you are sensitive to dairy, can't have regular milk, like oat and almond milk, give it a try. Other than that, I would say, pass and just buy another creamer that you really like. I think for the price of $5, and that was at Target, so I don't know, it might be more expensive at like a regular other kind of grocery store. I'm not sure, but not super impressed, to be honest with you. It's not awful, it's not bad, but I don't love it. I'm not like, oh my god, this is the best thing I've ever had. I think I liked the Starbucks sugar-free creamers better than this. So I will definitely do a review of those other ones if you like. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried this, if you want to try it. As always, this is just my opinion. This is just what I think. We all have different tastes, so some of you might really, really love this. Again, it's not bad. It's not awful. It's good. I just don't think it's worth buying this just for ice drinks. Like, I would definitely just buy regular creamer and put it in my iced coffee, put it in my hot coffee. I think it's a little more worth your money buying the other creamers. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like these videos. If you do, please give us a thumbs up. It really, really helps my channel grow. I thank you all for your support, watching my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join our Cafecito loving family. And I guess that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.